Hello, I am Megha. Directions: study the following graph carefully and answer the questions given below. Now the question is, in which of the following pairs of years were the imports the same? Let us see in the graph. Imports are represented by blank blocks. So, these are same in 1992 and 1995. That is 20 crores. So, we get our answer as option number 4, that is 1992 and 95. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Megha. The question is, what was the percentage increase in exports from 1996 to 1997? Now, as we have already discussed the directions for this question in the above ones, so let's have the solution. Now, the percentage increase in exports is given by 22.5 minus 10 divided by 10 into 100, which is equal to 125%. So, we get our answer as option number 2, that is 125%. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Megha. The question is, in how many of the given years were exports more than imports? Now, as we have already discussed the directions for this question in the above ones, so let's have the solution. From the graph, we can depict that the exports points lies above the imports points in the years 1991, 93, 95 and 97. So, there are 4 years. So, we get our answer as option number 3, that is 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Megha. The question is, in which of the following years was the difference between exports and imports the maximum? Now, as we have already discussed the directions for this question in the above one, so let's have the solution. Now, the difference in exports and imports in various years are, in 1993, the difference is 15 minus 10, that is 5 crores. In 1994, the difference is 25 minus 20, that is 5 crores. And in 1995, the difference is 25 minus 20 again, that is 5 crores. So, the required difference is maximum in all of the given years. So, we get our answer as option number 4, that is all of the above. Thank you. करके दिखाएं. Hello, I am Megha. The question is, in which of the following years was the percentage decrease in imports the highest when compared to their respective preceding years? Now, as we have already discussed the directions for this question in the above one, so let's have the solution. In 1993, the percentage decrease in imports is given by 20 minus 10 divided by 20 into 100, that is equal to 50%. And in 1996, this decrease is given by 20 minus 12.5 divided by 20 into 100, which is equal to 37.5%. So, we get our answer as option number 1, that is 1993. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.